Alright, hey everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light switch on a Puch Maxi, that moped right over there. So I ordered all my parts from treatland.tv, hands down the best moped parts supplier out there. Just got it in the mail, so I'm going to open it up and show you everything that I got. These brake switches are kind of interesting. So when they're not being pressed, the connection is complete. But when they are being pressed, the connection is broken. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to put these on. Okay, so here is the Puch Maxi, and that's what I'm going to be changing right there. I have loosened it already, but essentially what you'll do is grab right here and pull that off. There are two little connectors down in there that connect to the two tabs hanging off there. And like I said, I have loosened it, but that just unscrews and comes right out. So that's the old one. That is bad. Here's the new one that we got. It is a little bit different in size, but I believe the threads are the same. The page for it on Treatland said it was for a Puch, fits Domino and Magura controls, so this should just thread right on in. That'd be wonderful if it did. Yeah, there we go. So getting that all threaded in. It is wise to do a final tighten with some pliers, which, let's see if I have handy. Yeah. Needle nose are preferred for this job, so we'll get those out. Stepdad actually got me. So we'll come in here, and there's two ways to tighten. You can either grab on this and twist that, or grab onto the metal part and do that. I think I'll just go for the plastic part. Just be careful not to break it when you're doing this, because that wouldn't be fun. It is bending a little bit, so I'm going to revert to the metal part. You can see this nice firm grasp on there. Try not to chew up the metal too much. Spin it till it stops, and then you're good. So the next part is a little bit tricky. So you have to kind of scoot this back a bit to expose those two connectors that go onto there. And if you're unlucky enough to have these break off, they are also used in Volkswagens. So you can find them online. I found them at a local parts store to me called Bow Wow. They're a big Volkswagen supplier, so they had plenty of those in stock, and I was able to walk in, pick them up, come home. I'm going to need two hands to do this, so I'm going to put you down and I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so I got that on there, and as you can see, those are one on each side. It doesn't matter which side goes where. One side's power, one side's ground, pretty much. So as long as they're both plugged in, making contact, you should be good to go. So now I get to go over and do the other side, and then we should be all set. So we got our other new one, old one's removed. This is an aftermarket switch, that's why that's so big. I'm going to end up either grinding that down or cutting it off, making it a little bit less obnoxious and a little bit more stock looking. So as you can see, our new part just threads right in, nice and easy. You shouldn't have to force anything until you really tighten it down, and then it's really not much to really get it tight. So as you can see, it was like maybe somewhere in between an 1/8 and a 1/4 of a turn. There's our two plugs. One on the top, one on the bottom. Sometimes these are a little short, so you kind of have to fight it a little bit. Feel free to like peel the tabs out just a hair. It makes it just that much easier. Be careful not to bend them too much. I don't know how fragile these are, but I'd rather not find out now and have to wait another couple days for these to come in the mail. All right, bottom one's good, top one's good. Just kind of push and jiggle at the same time. And we're on. So what you'll want to do next is scoot this rubber grommet over the brass. It helps make a watertight, or fairly watertight, protective covering around the connectors. Keep everything from getting corroded. It's something you can watch me do on this side as well, I guess. I haven't really messed with it since you just saw it. I don't know if that's going to happen. Anyway, that you can see scoots down and over the brass. Sometimes it kind of plunges like that. Just give it a little twist and you're all set. Thank you for watching. Until next time, have a good one.